Hey folks, and welcome. I have Nova Ring R in front of me, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set it up. So let's open the box first and let's remove all of this. Here is the ring. Now let's remove this from the box. This is the documentation here. You can read it if you like. And here you have a charging cable. So let's open this here. Here is the USB Type-C cable, and here is the charging stand. So for us to set it up, we need to plug it in first. And this is how you can plug it in. You can see that you have this charging port here. So just bring it close to the charging stand and it's going to snap automatically. Now once you plug it in, let's go and search for the app. The name of the app is Nova Ring. This is how the icon of the app looks like. Once you find it, tap on install. And this is how the app looks like. Once you install it, you have an option to log in, to sign up, but you also have an option to skip if you don't want to create an account. So I'm going to tap here on skip because I'm just doing this for the presentation. And of course, it would be better if you register. Going to select here mail, next. This is the year of the birth, it doesn't really matter. Next, what's your height? Next, weight. What's your step length? This is for them to be able to calculate your precise step count more precisely. So you can enter that here. And now you're going to tap on next. And this is it. This is the app. And that's really how simple it is to install the app. Now let's connect the ring to the app. Click here on add a device. While using this app, allow this. And here is the ring. So we have found it instantly. Now tap on the ring. And by the way, make sure that your ring is on the stand while you're doing this. Now for some reason I can see that this blue line here is not being finished loading whatever it's loading. I don't know what's really going on here, but that's really not relevant. If you want to see if the connection is successful, you can tap here and you're going to see it here. So here you can see connected and you can see the level of the ring battery here. And if that's the case, then you have successfully connected this ring, and that's pretty much it. Now you can check out the app and leave a like below. Thank you guys for watching and have a nice day.